Imagine receiving a phone call that begins with 6 words no property owner wants to hear. Someone was injured at the rental. A couple had spent years saving for their first investment property. They repaired it, found tenants, and used the rental income to build a more secure future for their children. But they owned the property personally. They had never formed an LLC or separated the rental's finances from their own. Then a serious accident occurred at the property. A claim followed, and suddenly the couple was not only worried about the rental, they were asking whether their personal savings and family home could also become part of the dispute. An LLC creates a legal barrier between the rental property and the owner's personal assets. When it is formed and maintained correctly, the property is titled to the LLC. Its finances are kept separate, and claims involving the rental are limited to the assets held by that company, rather than automatically reaching the owner's home and personal accounts. But the protection must be built correctly and maintained. Owners who mix personal and company funds, ignore legal formalities, or operate without appropriate insurance weaken the barrier they created. Most importantly, planning must happen before the problem. A second property owner once contacted our team only after a lawsuit was already underway and asked whether creating an LLC that afternoon would protect the home from the existing claim. It could not erase what had already happened. The lesson is not to panic every time you buy an investment property. It is to build the structure while the situation is calm. Before renting a property or operating a business, speak with the appropriate legal, tax, insurance, and financial professionals. Decide how the property should be owned, maintain clear records, and make sure the structure coordinates with your estate plan. The goal is not simply to own an LLC. The goal is to create and maintain a thoughtful system that protects what you are building and makes it easier for the next generation to carry it forward.